Fiery action right there. Next up we have a 3-round, 1.5 minutes right there. Make his way into the blue corner. Make some noise for Gabriel Suare.
First to the ring we have Gabriel Suare, making his boxing debut, fighting out of Yin Yang.
Very calm and composed.
Very calm and composed, looks game and ready to go.
Give it up for Gabriel.
That's Gab, that's Archie. That's Archie, that's Gabe, that's Gab.
They made a change. That's Gab Dice. That's Gabriel Suare. That's Gab Dice.
Ah, right, okay. Slight change. So it's not Archie Dale fighting from UFA. My fight card is a little bit outdated. I think I need a new one.
Once again, in the blue corner, representing the Young Warriors, Gabriel Suare.
I like being banged on. So I actually don't know the names of these two fighters, so I'm going to refer to them as red corner and blue corner.
And in the red corner, representing Undisputed Fight Academy, Gab Dice.
Gab Dice doesn't actually fight for Undisputed Fight Academy, he fights out of Fight Team in Barnsley.
So poised and ready. Fighting from Poland.
Gab Dice versus Gabriel Suare. Very tall young man. Oh, stiff jab from Gabriel. From Gabe, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, nice right up from Gabriel.
Both fighters landing big shots early doors.
Stiff jab from Gabe. Gabriel replies with a flurry of his own.
Gabe doing a good job here evading the shots.
Gabriel piling on the pressure though. Coming out in the Muay Thai shorts. Love to see it. Hopefully he doesn't kick him in the head though.
Gabe doing a good job mixing it up with the body and the head shots. And again to the body.
Gabriel's corner asking him to throw the body shots and cancel out his shots.
Nice. Good little combo landed
Gabe.
there. Oh, nice shots there. Gabe looking really sharp here today.
Stiff jab. Nice jab again. Can Gabriel reply? Gabriel seems to be waiting.
Nice. Interesting first round there.
You can't be waiting when the rounds are only a minute and a half. There is simply not enough time.
Red corner looking really sharp today.
Both young men looking fit though. Obviously had a very good camp.
Interesting to see how this one pans out over the next 2 rounds, if we get that far.
Gabe taking the centre early. Oh, nice right hand from Gabe. Gabriel replies though. Oh, stiff right hand from Gabriel.
Nice, Gabriel. Keep doing that.
Stiff jab from Gabriel. Nice, double up the jab with the right hand behind it.
And your jab.
Lovely combination work from Gabriel.
Hands up.
Just waiting a little bit too long though for me.
Face to the head, face to the head, go to your body.
This corner asking for a feint to the head.
Oh,
then go
nice.
body.
You go, yes.
Forward flurry from Gabriel.
Hands up,
When it comes, counter. Choose it, show him what you want.
A little bit too much waiting with no feints. Just loading up that right hand. Gabe's seen it from yesterday, and it probably won't hit him till tomorrow. Oh,
nice. Oh!
Followed up with the right hand behind it. Lovely combination work from Gabe.
Gabe doing a good job there, getting his shots off and evading the ones coming back at him.
Head guard malfunction.
Head guard adjustment.
Both fighters breathing heavy.
Let's go, Gabe, let's go.
I'm straight back in. Started one to the
Nice
body,
left
one
hook,
to the
and
face.
again.
Following it up there.
Oh!
Oh, lovely.
Lead uppercut followed up with the right hand. That right hand's been there for Gabe all night. Both fighters very skilled, but I think Gabe is just walking away with this at the minute due to activity. Gabriel waiting a little bit too long for me.
Yeah, Gabe's really impressing me so far. Both these 2 rounds. Seems to be dictating the pace.
But
Getting his
all fairness
shots
to
off.
Gabriel though, this isn't Gabe's first fight, and this is Gabriel's debut. So to hang in there with someone
Oh,
a lot more
definitely,
experienced,
definitely.
he's doing a good job. Seconds out.
Round 3.
And we are in. The 3rd round is underway. Oh! Nice hook.
Nice left hook from Gabe. And you can tell the difference in experience.
Definitely.
Why Gabe's waiting, he's feinting, trying to draw out something to then counter off of that.
Yeah, Gabe's doing a good job of dictating the pace of this fight.
Yeah, he's definitely the aggressor.
Been dominant throughout all the rounds previously too.
Stiff jab to the body from Gabe. Oh, nice. Fake low, go high, love it. Brilliant combination work.
Leave him stand open for that one there though. Nice shot from Gabriel.
Waiting a little bit too long. I feel like that right hand's hurt him. It's definitely hurt him.
Yeah, he's using this time to gather himself, I think. Gabe seems to be sizing up his next shot.
Gabriel slowed down. Can we see a stoppage here?
Gabe doing a good job holding the centre of the ring. He's got him where he wants. Nice.
Lovely
Right to the
work from
liver.
Gabe. Gabe got his hands down.
Gabe done a really good job of working the body as well as the head, mixing his shots up.
Oh, lovely work.
Very unpredictable fighter.
This is a very nice watch from a fan point of view.
You can watch more action like this live on Leapfrog Fight TV.
On a weekly basis.
25 countries, $9.99 a month.
Brilliant fight. Well done to both young men.
Yeah, good performance from both fighters here.
I wouldn't be surprised if this is a unanimous decision though.
Yeah, Gabe really looked.
I've looked.
Me too. Really dictated the pace. Did a really good job mixing it up.
Big shot to happen.
Brilliant fight.
Representing Poland on his shorts.
Brilliant showcase of boxing there. Gabe really flowing with the combinations. Gabriel a little bit too slow. Maybe an experience issue, but that will only change. That will only get better as he goes on.
Of course, you only learn from things like this.
He took some big shots there and showed heart, didn't go down. So there's only positives to take away from this fight, no negatives at all. Well done to both young men.
Really strong performance from Gabe. Sure his corner's very happy.
Very happy. A brilliant fight, brilliant matchmaking again made by the JackHammer team. She was recording us then. She was recording us then.
And it has been decided. This is a draw.
I'm not sure about a draw. Somebody needs to make a criminal investigation on that one, because that is unruly.
Yeah, I thought it was a really strong performance from Gabe. Clearly the judges thought otherwise.